strawberry. I am strawberry. That is the real me. I am strawberry. I am strawberry. I am strawberry. That is the real me. Wow! Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. 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 Wow! Shark, shark, red shark, shark, shark.
Orange shark, hello, hello, orange shark. Hello, hello, orange shark. Hello, hello, turn around and show your fin. Orange shark, hello, hello, orange shark. Hello, hello, orange shark. Hello, hello, come on, show us.
Wait a minute. Did you wash your hands?
No, that is the game.
No, it's very important. It's your hand. And these are yours. And let's take some soap.
Aha! Wow, it's amazing.
Soap prevents germs.
Always wash your hands before eating and stay healthy. Woohoo! Yeah! Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy. Sharing is caring. Helping a friend feels so great. Here you are, my little friend. When everyone is happy, we can have a real good day. Here you are, my little friend. When everyone is happy, we can have a real good day. Excellent! Did you see my red marker?
No, I haven't seen it.
I think you took it after all.
Emma, I didn't take your marker. Why would I need it?
Where is it?
You need to stop. Shooting won't help you find the marker. You need to be able to control your anger.
Okay.
Great. Now, let's find your marker together.
Hey, I'm sorry for screaming.
It's okay. Okay, let's play rock, paper, and scissors. And whoever wins gets a banana.
Okay, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Wow, I won! Banana is mine! Yay! How for you? How funny!
Thank you, Emma. You're so generous.
Snack, snack, snack. Munch, munch, munch.
Yeah.
Snack, snack, snack. Yum, 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 yum. I love eating.
Oh.
I can't stop. I can eat all day long. Yummy treats I can't resist. I want it all for me, me, me.
hello. What?
Ouch!
Oh no. Oh. Uh-huh.
Straight line, zigzag line, wavy line, ladder line, diagonals.
Hey girl.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Monkey, here I come. Hey monkey, stomp the floor.
Aha! Excellent.
Yummy apple, let's take a bite. Get here, but it's eating my snack. With a pencil, we will draw a nice color. Here you go.
Whoa! Wow! Green, red, blue. Yeah!
Emma, wait! Huh? When you're eating, you need to use cutlery, spoon or fork.
Oh, later, I understand.
Emma, stop! What? You need to wipe your mouth with a napkin after eating.
Okay.
Emma, stop!
What happened?
After lunch, you need to clean your plate.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh no.
Someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, oh yes. Police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day.
Wow!
All this mess around, no, no, you're What's that? What's that? What's that sound? It's
Ew.
very creepy and so loud. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? Hurry up and help me out. It's a ghost. I think it's coming from over there. Or maybe it's coming from up here.
Glass, sun, sunglasses,
Shark, hello, hello, red shark.
Lips.
Hello, hello, red
stick,
Hello, hello, turn around
Lipstick.
and show your
Whoa.
fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red
Jelly.
shark. Hello,
Fish.
hello, come on, show us how to
Jellyfish.
swim. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark,
Cup.
shark. Red shark,
Cake.
shark, shark. Red shark, shark,
Cupcake.
shark. Red shark, shark, shark.
bowl,
Red shark, shark, shark.
green,